Hey, this is Delana Angelique and welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been gone and I say that every video, but I'm glad to be back. This is very impromptu. I said this on my other hair video. When you see me in my bathroom like this and the lighting is yellow-y, just know it's impromptu. Fresh off of work, and I just want to show you guys how I put my hair in a high puff. I have medium length hair, which you will see. So just stick around and see how I put my hair in a high puff. All right, let's get started. So like I said before, I'm fresh off of work, so I have my hair in a scarf. A couple of days ago I washed my hair and 2-strand twisted my hair for definition when it's in a high puff. So I'm going to reveal, I'm ashamed. Bam. So as you can see, if you see my other videos, you've seen the whole process of me not having any hair, somewhat of the growth process. So this is where we are at now. You know, just a little something. Let me zoom in for the people just to get a better look. So yeah, we've made some progress. So these are my twists, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. I'm going to use a mixture of the Garnier Fructis and this Argan oil spray. I just put it on my hands, rub it in, and start taking out the twist. So this is my hair for the most part untwisted and separated. I could probably still do some more separating, which I might do as I go, but the next step for me, what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of oil on my scalp because I have a very itchy scalp. So what I like to do is mix castor oil and peppermint oil together. I go ahead and put that mixture in this color applicator, so this bottle, and I just distribute it in my hair.
On the places that get really
itchy. So what I'm going to do next is I like to wet the perimeter of my hair to help me slick it out. So I might pick, brush. The best thing I guess I can say is just to watch, and yeah, it's better if you just watch. So